In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin OneDrive to quick access. This is a simple Windows tip that can make opening your files much faster, especially if you use OneDrive regularly for work, school, or personal documents. By pinning it to quick access, you'll keep it visible in File Explorer so you can get to it quickly without having to browse through multiple folders each time. To begin, open File Explorer on your desktop. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar if it's there, or by opening it from the Start menu. Once File Explorer is open, take a moment to look at the navigation pane on the left-hand side. This is where Windows shows commonly used locations, drives, and cloud storage folders like OneDrive. Next, in that left panel, find your OneDrive folder. It may already be listed by name, and depending on your setup, it could appear near the top section or among your other folders. When you see it, right-click on the OneDrive folder. This will open a context menu with several options related to that location. From that menu, select Pin to Quick Access. As soon as you click it, OneDrive will be added to the Quick Access section in File Explorer. This means it will stay conveniently available in a prominent spot, making it much easier to return to whenever you need to upload, organize, or open synced files. If you don't immediately notice the change, look toward the Quick Access area in the left panel and confirm that OneDrive now appears there. In most cases, it updates instantly. This feature is especially useful if OneDrive is one of the folders you open every day, because it reduces extra clicks and keeps your workflow more organized. One helpful tip is that Quick Access is meant for the folders you use most often, so pinning OneDrive there can save time over the long term. It's a small adjustment, but it can make File Explorer feel much more efficient and personalized to the way you work. And that's all there is to it. You opened File Explorer, right-click the OneDrive folder in the left panel, and select it, let it pin to quick access. After that, OneDrive is easier to reach whenever you need it.